Hello guys, and welcome back to my English comprehension exercises. Today we're going to be talking about some jobs. We're going to be talking about 7 jobs in America that you don't need a college degree in. But as always, before we get started guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button down there for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So this video today includes some brand new vocabulary words that you should know in English. But we are talking about jobs in America that you can acquire knowing English. And it does not require you to have a college degree. But these jobs do require you to finish your high school education. Or in my country, in America, they call it a high school education, a high school diploma, or a GED. What is a GED? A GED is a general equivalency to a diploma, to a high school diploma. So if you don't finish high school in America and sometime later you want to go back to school to get your high school diploma, you go back to classes, and when you finish they give you a GED, a general equivalency degree or diploma or certificate. Now these 7 jobs that I am going to give you today, the salaries are national averages in my country. So you will see why it is important for you to comprehend and understand the English language if you want to advance in one of these 7 careers there. The first one is a postal service clerk. Now I will have the descriptions of all of these job descriptions in my video. You can look it over, read it yourself, comprehend it with an English dictionary if need be. Now the national average they pay is $19.75 an hour. So if you work 40 hours a week, that means you're going to be making around $790 a week. The second job, gaming manager. Again, you can find the descriptions of these positions in my video. The national average for a gaming manager is about $16.80 an hour. That comes to about $672 a week. Number 3, flight attendant. You all have taken flights on airplanes before. I'm sure most of you have probably taken a flight on an airplane. So you can see what the flight attendant does, but again, the description will be in my video. The flight attendant's national average income is around $25.50 an hour. That averages out to be about $1,020 a week. Is that a good salary? I think it is. Plus, you get a chance to travel all over the world. Number 4 is a chef. Now, you don't need a college degree to be a chef. You may need some specialized training. The average salary that a chef makes is about $21 an hour. This averages out to about $845 a week if you're working just 40 hours. All of these positions I'm talking about, if you're working about 40 hours a week, you'll make these incomes. The next one, number 5, I believe, that's 5, dispatcher. A dispatcher. This person organizes the routes of different deliveries for companies. The national average income for a dispatcher is $21.48. That's the national average in the United States. That averages to about $860 a week if you're working 40 hours a week. That's a good income. Number 6 is construction worker. Construction workers' national averages in the United States is about $22 an hour, maybe a little more, about $22 an hour. That averages to about $886, I'm sorry. A firefighter, number 7, the last one, a firefighter. A firefighter doesn't require you to have a college degree, but you do need to have a high school degree or a GED equivalency. The average salary, hourly salary in the United States is about $25 an hour. That averages to about $970 a week if you're working about 40 hours a week in the United States. So guys, those are the 7 jobs in America that don't require you to have a college degree. And like I talk to my students about careers in the classes sometimes, English is important. It's spoken all over the world. You can get a job just about anywhere in the world you choose if you know English. A lot of these companies and corporations, they're requiring you today to understand and know the knowledge of English before they can offer you a job. So those are the 7, again, jobs in America that don't require you to have a college degree. Study the words in this video. If you do not understand the words, vocabulary words in this video, get a dictionary again, guys, or use your Google Translate and try to figure out and comprehend the English language. I cannot do it for you. I can only present the lessons to you, and it's up to you to practice and understand what you're learning. So again, guys, thank you for visiting my page, and also hit that subscribe button if you've not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you during the next English exercise. Go out there, make it a great day, guys.